Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the YouTube channel. It's Sensei here. Today I'm going to give you guys 3 tips on how to block faster, more effective and even harder. So the 3 tips is for blocks today. It's formerly known as uke in Japanese. Every single martial arts you need to have your blocks. Okay, why is it important to know your blocks and how to use your blocks? Obviously, outside in the street, everyone can throw a punch, but not everyone knows how to block. So it's very important to see how to block, where to block, and how to block fast and hard, and whatever method you can use to train your blocks to get it even faster. So check it out. So I hope you've got your karate gis on. As I said before, we're going to focus more on blocks today. We're going to give you 3 tips on how to block even faster and better. So tip number 1. First thing is you have to think of your block as a strike, not a block. Okay, so when you're blocking, don't think of moving the hand or the punch or the kick out of the way, but actually striking it. Okay, striking to the arm, striking to the leg. Every time you think about of striking, it's going to be way more faster, because think about it. If you're doing a punch versus a block, which one is going to be faster? Which one are you going to have more effort in? Okay, it's going to be the punch. So if you think about a block as a strike, that's automatically going to put way more effort in that movement. Okay, so that's tip number 1. Think of a block as a strike. Tip number 2. So tip number 2 is getting your hikata hand involved. Okay, so the first thing is getting that hikata hand involved is important with any movement. Any movement except obviously your kicks. Okay, so your hikata hand is the one that's actually doing the major movement. Okay, while you're doing the block, you need to get this hand also involved. Imagine you're doing one-handed blocks. Okay, you can only go that fast. Only go that fast. Okay, once you get both hands involved, it's way more stronger and faster. So it's like you're running. Okay, if you're a sprinter, you'll know. Once you start out of the blocks, you drive with the hands and the legs will follow. It's exactly the same thing. Getting that hand involved will make your blocks even way more faster and stronger. While doing that, you'll also get that strike, as tip number 1 I said, that strike involvement with your blocks. Tip number 3. Tip number 3 involves more practicing. So it's kind of a different one. You actually need someone. So once you get in classes, back to normal classes where everyone can work with each other and you can do some sparring, it's exactly now the same thing. Now you need to apply that movement, apply the blocks. So get your buddy, your training partner, get into the habit of once you're punching, you're blocking, and try to get that strike with the hikata hand. Another one. Good. Now you return it and the partner exactly does the same. 1, 2, back. 1, 2. Getting that strike in. 1, 2. Good. So once you get back to classes, you can actually train with somebody. Try it. Okay. That will also push your limits and see how fast you can go and where you can improve. So that's the 3 tips. Number 3, remember, getting a partner, actually doing the blocks with the partner and pushing yourself while you're training. Right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that 3 tips. If you liked the video, please like it below, subscribe to the channel. We're going to do way more videos. Please, in the comment section, type for me, what would you like to see? What's the next video you would like to see? It can be Kubudo, how to use this weapon, how to use that weapon, different kind of karate gis, different type of kumite, whatever you like. So please comment below what you like to see, and we'll see each other next week.